Hello and welcome. In this video you will learn how to create a project and add a controller to EcoStruxure Machine Expert. Once you have opened the program, select a new project in the command menu. As project type, select Default Project. In the General tab, select the controller type, version and controller name. Also, enter the desired language for SR main. Switch to Properties tab. Pick a title for your project. Type in the name of the author. Enter the company name if you wish. Assign a version to your project. It is also possible to add a picture which visually represents your project. To save the dataset, select a name and location. Continue with OK. In order to add a controller, open the Motion Controller Catalog. Enter the name of the controller type in the search field. Once it is highlighted, drag and drop it to the device's tree. Great! The controller has now been added to your project.